Hey guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to insert a table into a Google Docs. So if you have any Google Docs, I'm going to show you how to easily do this, right? So what I'm going to do, open up Google Docs here, right? So let me go to these apps for Google and I will scroll down and find Docs, right? Now once this is open, I will just basically click a new blank document. If you have any existing document, you can simply use one of those, right? So if you have a table somewhere and you need to insert it, all you have to do is just press Ctrl V and that will insert the table into the docs. As easy as that. But if you would like to create a table within a brand new document or within an existing document that you have, you can easily do that as well. All you have to do, just simply go to insert and then you have tables, right? So you can simply go over to tables. You can use templates. As you can see, you have a bunch of different templates here that you can choose from. Product roadmap, if you click on that, you can see that you have it and it has some drop downs. You can always edit what you want, edit and add. You can do the same, right? And as I said, you have a few other options that you can choose from as well. Project ideas, launch, content tracker, you get it. See, you have different options that you can use, right? So otherwise, if you just want to get the basic template, then all you have to do is just simply go to insert again tables and you can choose how many rows and columns you want, right? So you can have, for example, you want an 8x4, you can do the same and it will do it like that. So once you have your table laid out, guys, you can always go ahead and double click into each row or column and you can do whatever you want with this column, right? You can also stretch it if you want. So as you can see, just hover over any edge of it and you can easily like drag it to where you want. You can easily adjust it to all you want by simply go ahead and click on any areas of the table and you can expand it. If you want to expand, for example, a cell, you can just hover over it and you will have the option that you can drag it, make it smaller, make it wider. You can do as you wish, as you can see that I'm doing right here. So that's basically how you do it, guys. And you can also go ahead and you can do additional formatting to your table, as you can see from the menu options here. Now guys, I really hope that you found this tutorial very helpful, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a like and share your comments below. I'd really appreciate that. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, welcome to Drew Tutorial. I'm Anjo, and I really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button below to help grow this community, and also so that you'll never miss out when I release another helpful tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much and see you next time.